Well, I don't think it's perfect, but it's close enough. You'll hear the what I think is rod knock at the bottom of this. It's that loud knock at the bottom is what I think is rod knock. But I do believe that you may get through a season with this or more. You really need to keep an eye on the oil though. And the oil that I poured out was here's some of what's left. I mean, it's pretty black. It's almost like molasses, but not quite. And I think that's partially due to the valve cover having holes in it. That is going to be a first for me. I've seen dented valve covers, but I have never seen a valve cover punched in. This was the other unit that I was talking about. I just haven't really had a whole lot of time to go ahead and deal with it. But I do believe that this unit will survive another season or two. So let me give it a rip here again. I just think that da 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 at the bottom is an ominous sound. It could be a bent blade too, but the blade looks pretty straight to me. Sharpen the blade. I'm gonna put a new air filter in it. Had the carburetor off. Clean the carburetor out. I did put a valve cover on the front. I know you can't see it, but we put a valve cover on it. It is a OEM valve cover, and sorry, I dripped some of the goo that I used to tighten that up or to seal that valve cover in place. Fresh oil in it. I know it already looks kind of dark, or at least has that gray black in it, because that is metal rubbing on metal there probably for a while, and sucking all that dirt in there didn't help. So we'll clean that out and give it a couple runs and let it run a little bit. I adjusted the throttle linkage again, or a little bit, I shouldn't say again, a little bit there, and we'll give it a should start a little bit easier for you though.